all sorts of bomb got to back again. Hey, Nigeria, winner. The one Lagos Island, if I got to sumo, 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 we're going to mad, ego, mad. If I got to sumo, if I got to sumo, I want to sumo the far.
My guys, you guys,
listen, I am a guy. Then I'm going to now I got to sumo. One to go to Ega.
So this one now what happened yesterday for Lagos State. This thing happened at Central Plaza, where they for Mandilas Market in Lagos State. This plaza was burnt down to ashes yesterday. Goods worth over billions of naira were turned into ashes. Now, this thing that happened just a few hours after another fire outbreak happened at a UBA bank branch where they for Broad Street in the same Lagos State. It's a few hours after that one happened, now this market caught fire also. No be small damages this thing caused yesterday. I want you guys to watch the video and see things for yourself.
That's true. You like to play a bit of it. Now, what do people do here?
This man are no strong, go. This man are no strong, go. Ah. This man are no strong, go. Ah. Thank God,
biko na na anya onye ọbụla nwere chọpụ na Mandilas bịaba Mandilas kịta ihe anụ nke a eme plaza nke ịtọ ọ na-aba na plaza niile biko ọ na-aba na plaza niile from here to here biko na onye ọbụla nwere chọpụ na Mandilas bata n'ime ahịa kịta biko Let's go. I'll go. We are in Lagos Island now. Mandilas is burning fire. Mandilas is doing the work. Oh yeah, Marasana, he loyal to you. Mandilas is magazine island now. We are in Lagos Island though. I know Lagos Island now. Hey, wahala do. See fire everywhere. For Lagos Island, for Mandilas. For Mandilas, so see fire.
All sorts of bomb got to back again. Hey, Nigeria, the one Lagos Island. If I got to sumo, 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 we're going to mad. Going to mad. If I got to sumo, if I got to sumo, I want to sumo the far.
My guy,
this is my guy. I got to sumo. One to go to Ega. Hey, I'm gonna try you. Hey, this one the highest. This one the highest for Lagos Island. Huh? Since it was
28,000, more than 28,000.
house. Ha. Okay, say you don't know 25 years, 45 years for here.
Yeah, 45 years.
This thing never happened.
I've never seen.
This kind of thing never happened before. Are you serious? This one are worst for Lagos Island. This one are worst. Hey! Okay, now, Bokwa. Okay, now, Bokwa. Okay, now, Bokwa. Okay, now, Bokwa. Kebo, okay, now. Get a kangare. Kebo, okay, now. About 5 shops from my 5 buildings from my warehouse. Machine can make a repa. It got in there. This is the year I get more. Hey!